Welcome to Shipping Solutions, Export Documentation and Compliance Software. To create a packing list, go to the Easy Start screen and create a shipment like you normally would. I have this shipment, 75-PLV, ready to go. On the Contact screen, I've entered my exporter information and my customer or ultimate consignee information. On the Product Details screen, I've entered the line items in my shipment. Because I have weights filled in here on the Product Details screen, there is a setting to carry those weights over to the packing list, which I will show you later. On the Carriers and Ports screen, I've entered my exporting carrier. And on the Invoices screen, I've entered the invoice date, invoice number, special instructions, order number, and PO number. Now I'll click Packing List. The instructions to create the packing list are shown right here on the screen. First, I click Add New Package, and then Load Package. The product line items appear in the Unpacked Items list. Now I'm going to pack the items that are included in this first container. So I'm going to add all of Product 2, and of Product 1, I'm just going to add 5 of the items. Click Close. Now I'll select my package type, and I'll show you later how to enter different package types so they appear in this drop-down list. I've got one box, so I'll enter that. And Shipping Solutions calculates the total cubic feet and total cubic meters. The gross weight and net weight is calculated from the weights I showed you on the Product Details screen. And then I'll add a package description. Everything on this screen is applicable only to this first package, except for the signature and special instruction boxes. The signature from my profile automatically fills in, but I can overwrite it here for just the packing list. Special instructions entered here will print below the special instructions I entered on the Invoices screen. Now I'll click Add New Package again to load the rest of my items. As you can see, the special instructions and signature remain the same because they apply to the whole shipment, but the measurements, weights, and container description are blank. And you can see that the counter now says 2 of 2. Click Load Package. All that is left in the Unpacked Items list are 5 pieces of Product 1. I'm going to click Add Item to load it into the second container. Then I click Close. This second package uses the same size box, so I'll select that from the drop-down list. The weights are automatically filled in, and I'll enter a description for the second container. Save and close. Click the Preview Print Email button. Shipping Solutions has several dozen export documents available to you. They are listed here in alphabetical order, and so I will scroll down to Packing List. We have 2 versions of the packing list. Here's the standard packing list, and I'll click Preview so we can take a look at it. The second packing list we call Packing List Landscape. Let's take a look at that one. It shows more details for each line item, including the weights. In addition to previewing the packing list, we can print it, create a PDF, or email the packing list to a customer or freight forwarder. You can customize the packing list by going to the Tools tab, clicking the Customize Documents tree, and then finding the screen for Packing List or Packing List Landscape. You can see here all of the different items that can be customized. Remember earlier I mentioned a setting that brings the product weights over from the Product Details screen to the packing list? Well, that is controlled on the Admin tab, Global Settings screen. I have this box checked, but if you don't want the product weights carried over to the packing list screen, you would uncheck the box. Also, remember how I selected the package type from a drop-down list on the packing list screen? You can enter common package types by going to the Databases tab, Package Type screen. To learn more about shipping solutions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you for watching.